Have you ever woken up after 8 hours of sleep feeling like you could crawl back into bed and nap all over again? Or maybe you're halfway through your day, staring at your screen thinking, why am I so exhausted? Look, I get it. This is literally what millions of people feel every single day. You're not lazy. You're not broken. There's something deeper going on. My name is Daniel, and trust me, I am a doc. If you are someone who is curious about medical mysteries, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked all the time. Why do we feel tired all the time, even when we think we're doing everything right? And more importantly, what can you do about it? Here's the thing. Your constant fatigue is not just about lack of sleep. There are multiple factors, some obvious, some surprisingly hidden, that might be draining your energy without you realizing it. And by the end of this video, you'll have clear, practical solutions you can start using immediately. Most people think, now I slept 7 or 8 hours, that should be enough. But here's what most people don't realize. Sleep duration is only one part of the equation. The quality of your sleep is just as important. According to the CDC, nearly 35% of adults report getting less than 7 hours of quality sleep per night, and sleep disorders like sleep apnea affect 1 in 5 adults. Now, you might be thinking, I don't snore that loudly. I don't have sleep apnea. Sleep apnea can be subtle. It's not always about loud snoring. Sometimes your oxygen dips just enough for your body to wake you microseconds without you noticing. That constant disruption keeps your body in a near-stressed state, leaving you exhausted the next day. Solution: track your sleep. Apps or wearable devices can help identify disturbances. Sleep hygiene: keep a regular bedtime. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed, and create a cool, dark environment. Consider a sleep study if you experience morning headaches, excessive daytime sleepiness, or gasping at night. Here's what's interesting. Even small improvements in sleep quality, like consistent timing and temperature control, can increase daytime alertness dramatically. Imagine feeling 20 to 30% more energized without changing your diet or exercise routine. Pretty powerful, right? Here's another big one: what you're eating or not eating. You could be eating enough calories, but still missing essential nutrients your body needs to produce energy. A staggering 1 in 3 adults in the U.S. is deficient in at least one essential vitamin or mineral, according to a 2021 Haney's report. Fatigue is often linked to deficiencies in iron, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and magnesium. For example, iron deficiency alone affects 20% of adult women and can make even a short walk feel exhausting. Solution: get a basic blood panel to check iron, B12, vitamin D, and thyroid levels. Incorporate nutrient-rich foods: leafy greens, beans, eggs, fish, and fortified cereals. Consider supplementation only if confirmed by a doctor. Oversupplementing can backfire. Here's what most people don't realize. Your body literally cannot produce energy efficiently without these nutrients. You could be sleeping fine, exercising, hydrating, yet still feel drained if you're low on the right fuel. Number 3, stress, but not the kind you notice when your boss yells at you. I'm talking about chronic, low-level stress that keeps your cortisol high all day long. This is where it gets really interesting. Your adrenal glands release cortisol to help you wake up and handle short-term stress. But when cortisol is constantly elevated, it disrupts sleep, metabolism, and even immune function. Studies show that chronic stress can decrease energy levels by up to 40%. And it's often cumulative. You may feel tired but wired, lying in bed exhausted, yet unable to sleep. Solution: practice short daily stress breaks, deep breathing, meditation, or a 10-minute walk. Limit stimulants. Caffeine and sugar spikes can worsen cortisol swings. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and regular physical activity. Here's what's surprising, where even small stress reductions, like 5 to 10 minutes of focused breathing twice a day, can restore your energy rhythm significantly. Number 4. Your body wasn't designed to sit all day. Here's the thing. Movement is literally what keeps your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside your cells, producing energy. A sedentary lifestyle slows this down. Studies have shown that sitting more than 6 hours a day is associated with higher fatigue and lower energy, even if you exercise occasionally. Solution: break up sitting time. Stand or walk every hour. Short, high-intensity bursts. 5 to 10-minute walks or bodyweight exercises can dramatically improve alertness. Incorporate movement into routine tasks. Take stairs, park farther, stretch while on calls. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need a 1-hour gym session to feel more energetic. Micro movements throughout the day actually have a big impact on alertness and mood. But finally, reason number 5. Sometimes your body is sending you signals that something deeper is going on. Look, this is where it gets really interesting. Conditions like hypothyroidism, diabetes, sleep apnea, or even early-stage heart disease can all present primarily as fatigue. This is why constant tiredness should never just be ignored. Solution: keep a symptom diary. Note energy levels, sleep quality, diet, stress, and physical activity. Schedule a checkup. Blood tests for thyroid, blood sugar, anemia, and vitamin levels. Advocate for yourself. Describe symptoms clearly. Ask for referrals if needed. Here's what most people don't realize. Catching these conditions early not only restores energy, but prevents complications later. Sometimes solving fatigue is literally life-saving. So, to recap why you feel tired all the time: poor sleep quality, nutritional deficiencies, chronic stress, lack of movement, and hidden medical conditions. The good news? Each of these has practical, actionable steps that can make a noticeable difference in your energy within days or weeks. Look, fatigue is not a normal part of life. You deserve to wake up feeling alert, focused, and ready for the day. Start with one change today. Track your sleep, eat better, move more, or schedule that checkup and build from there. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. I post medical insights that are practical, easy to understand, and sometimes even surprising, so you don't want to miss out. Remember, your energy is within your control, and small, consistent changes compound into huge results. Start today, and trust me, you'll notice the difference.